today we're up early and we're heading off on a Thai cooking class. We started off our day by heading to the local market to buy all the ingredients we needed for our cooking course.
This one Thai ginger or galangal. Thai ginger or galangal we put in tom yum soup and coconut milk soup. If you can find this one at home, you cannot use regular ginger substitute. If you put regular ginger in your tom yum will change like ginger tea. We never do in Thailand. And this one, rice noodles. Rice noodle made from rice flour. We use this one for pad thai today.
Aprons on, we're ready to get cooking.
And chop some more.
Taking one shallot and finely chopped. So next up is firm tofu in small cubes. Dried shrimp paste,
Spring onion,
and
we
then
use the whole
pickled
thing
radish.
1 inch long and put in cashew bowl.
Bean sprouts and carrot.
Mark is been very foreigner spicy.
So next up for the soup, have one each of lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaf. So with the bird's eye chili, 1 mild, 2 for medium and 3 for spicy.
Vegetable oil. You can use any kind of oil except olive oil. Because olive oil easy to get burned when cook long stir fry. And next one, soya sauce. And this one, soya sauce. The green leaf fish sauce. And the last one, oyster sauce.
2 tamarind, half sugar, half the fish sauce, and 1 oyster. And then mix our sauce.
See bubbly? Can you see it? Okay, it's hot enough. And then I want this size in.
That looks good.
It's not pad thai.
That's spicy.
A little bit chili powder, sugar, roasted peanut powder, rice ball on top, 1 piece of lamb, 1 bag pad thai, 1 bag chili pad. Are you shocked?
One finished pad thai. So this is the soup set.
Yes.
Lemongrass, galangal, chili, kaffir lime leaf, and shallot. Use this word so much describing food, but fragrances from Thai and Asian food like kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass, fresh coriander, the galangal in here is coconut, or just Tom yum is like the best, most fragrant flavors mixed together perfectly. I absolutely love it.
And today, creamy color, this one, sticky rice. We use sticky rice for make sticky rice with mango. We use bamboo basket for steam the rice. Why we use bamboo basket?
Because it's pretty beautiful.
Pretty beautiful. When the rice done, it's not stick at the bamboo.
Next is our curry paste for our Khao Soi.
We're gonna make curry paste together. We're gonna make big portion and separate later for your team.
For the Khao Soi paste,
And then I need
lemongrass,
one
galangal,
volunteer for each team.
ginger, chili,
One
kaffir
volunteer
lime
for
leaf,
each team. Everyone bring the
red chili
big
paste,
bowl.
one shallot. Then we're going to add some yellow curry powder and normal ginger, which makes it a Khao Soi paste.
Everyone, you can make 5 colors. Blue, purple, pink, yellow and green.
Fresh spring rolls. I've improved my spring rolls. I added some peanut dust. They're so good and like fresh and crunchy. One of my favourite things about Asian cooking, there's so many fresh fruits and vegetables where very little happens to them or they're not cooked, but they're raw. It makes everything so fresh. It's lush. I think the Khao Soi is my favourite Thai dish. Creamy, spicy coconut noodles with the crispy, crunchy, deep fried noodles as well as the soft steamed one, topped with a bit of coriander. Really simple but really delicious. So we are back at our guest house, finally dry. We thought we were getting a lift there and back, but we couldn't get a lift back, so we had to basically like run the gauntlet and got soaked and couldn't really record everything because cameras had to go in the bag, and yeah, we just got completely drenched yet again. But the cooking course was super fun. The food was all absolutely delicious. So Zabb-E-Lee were excellent. It was loads of fun. I'd highly recommend them if you're in Chiang Mai. But otherwise, I think we need to catch up on some work. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Half chili jam.
Would you make it?
Yeah.
We don't put this one in.
Oh, I thought this was
Only
what...
2, half.
Oops. I will change the
This will be good. This will be nice and hot. New creation. Not like I did. The food was all absolutely delicious.